How you guys doing today? My name is James, and I am going to show you guys about this free API website. Team CDA just released a website with free API keys for bots. Some people believe this is not legit. Some people believe that it doesn't work. So we're going to go ahead and show you in real time that this thing does work. But before I do so, I do want to apologize that my quality is going to be really crap. All the shaking and whatnot. I am recording this from my video phone, or my phone video on my phone. I don't have fancy equipment and all that stuff, so just bear with me here, and I'm going to work as best as I can to show you guys how this works. First, a shout out to Pokemon Go Spoofers and all the admins. It's a wonderful page for anybody who bots, spoofs, or any of that. So give it a like, go get it go join. If you are a botter or a spoofer, there are several pages that have team spoofing for Valor, Instinct, and Mystic. But anyways, so let's go ahead and jump to the API key situation. So Team CDA decided to release this website. The keys are normally like $4.95 or $5 or whatever. But this is all totally free, legitimately. So I use personally Necrobot. It's been wonderful for me. It's been great. Necrobot V2 does support Generation 2. So if you want to go to the download section, download V2. It'll open up a new page for you here. Necrobot 2 V1.0.0.151. It's the newest one. It was updated 18 hours ago. The new update caused Necrobot to update as well with Pokemon Go. You can download the console, GUI, or the WinGUI. Either one doesn't work. It doesn't matter. WinGUI is both the console and the GUI Electron in one. So if you need to, you just go ahead and download one of those or all of it. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and use the console just because it's going to be faster to deal with. So I'm going to go ahead and extract it there. And we're going to click on Necrobot2.exe. Now, mind you, there's no config file in here. So this is going to be a brand new configuration. So we're going to show you that this actually does work. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and copy over this key here. Just to show you. The last four are 4K1A. We're going to copy it in. Do not choose the legacy method. It does not work. And if it did work, you'd get banned really fast. So don't worry about that. Pokemon Trainer Club or Google. I'm going to choose Google. If you give me a moment, I'm going to type that in real quick. So, uno momento, por favor. You can stare at my lovely comforter while I do this. Alright. Now, back to the screen here. The next choice is where your location is. So just to kind of make things simple for me here, I've been botting earlier, so I'm just gonna keep my location the same. I'm gonna change to where I'm at now. Default location that it does come up with is Central Park. It's a wonderful spot, but there are many more out there, like the Korea 11, or formerly known as Korea 11, the Korea 10. Sorry about that. Alright, walking speed, 30, keep it there, don't change anything there. Don't change anything as far as the WebSocket port goes. Now, you want to enable auto snipe. Sorry about that. Minimum IV percent, 100, so it's guaranteed to be 100. And then change the minimum level to 30 if you want. And if you don't have a certain Pokemon that's in your Pokedex, or that's not in your Pokedex, you could choose enable snipe for any Pokemon in your Pokedex that you don't have. So if you don't have a Magmar, it will snipe a Magmar for you if it finds one. So we're going to go ahead and watch this log in here. We're just going to make sure this is legit. Just give it a little bit. Alright, it sees that I do exist. It's a real account. Now, mind you, I've been botting since I was level 25. I am level 33. So you can see I got a awesome couple of Dragonites, a Larvitar, and an EV that are perfect IVs. So yeah, it'll have that information for you there. And just to show you, Pokestop just collected 3 Pokeballs, 1 Great Ball for me there. So it does work. It is currently working now. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the GUI portion here just to show you what it looks like. Now this thing will run like it's a human. That's a good thing because you don't want to get banned, so you don't want to seem inhuman when you're catching stuff. So let's go ahead and run the GUI. It does miss throws on purpose, like I said, to make it human. But if you see, this is my guy right here. And these are gems. And little blue dots are Pokestops. So if you notice, it's going to start catching Pokemon. It'll also show it in the journal here on the GUI. You have the ability to transfer Pokemon up here. You get the ability to discard items here. You can check out your eggs. This journal will tell you what you caught, what you've collected, etc., etc. So basically, this is now showing you that that API key did work. Now, I'm going to go ahead and close it out. Now, if everybody's worried about, oh, how do I change locations? There is a way to change it. Yes, I'm just going to show you a little quick rundown here. Now, these files, you can't see it here. Let's try and darken that. The auth.json and the config.json. Open those in Notepad. That way you can edit it. But if you ever need to change keys, because the keys do expire, but when one key expires on the website, it gets taken down and gets replaced with a new key that's just brand new. You'll take it and you'll copy it right here where it's auth API key in quotes right here. And then you'll hit save and exit out. You can configure your stuff. So if you want to change locations, default latitude, longitude, find the location you want to go to, like the Koreatown, Union Square, Pier 39, whatever, Central Park, your current location, etc. You put them in there, file save, exit out. You can have it battle gyms. It'll catch Pokemon. Every single Pokemon that appears, it'll catch. It'll hit every Pokestop no matter what. But this is basically something that you're going to have to do on your own that will give you a better rundown. Like I said, open it in Notepad, not the config.schema.json, config.json in Notepad. Go through it, check it out, and go from there. And then I'm just going to show you real quick the combination of the console GUI. This is what I use, my personal use. This is a little bit more rundown and everything. It gives you a heads up of what your experience per hour is, how much you need as far as experience goes, level up, all that stuff. It'll take out Stardust, everything. It does take a little bit to go to actually start running, but when it does, it goes. You can choose to customize your config file to make it to where this EXP per hour up here will go to 200,000 to 400,000 an hour. There is a video online that helps you with that. I'll try to have that included as well. But basically this is it. This is just showing you that this is working with the API key. So this is legit. If you got any questions, I'm on that page. Just look for James David Walden. I actually have a post up with the website. So if you want to go ahead and take a look at that, go ahead and be my guest. But other than that, Pokemon Go Spoofer page. Join it. Love it. You guys have a wonderful day. I'm out.